Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be having a look at another deck from the Sentinels of the Multiverse Oblivion set, and this one is the Complete Hero Variants Collection. Okay, here we are. The Complete Hero Variant Collection features all new art, and there we are, that's the back of the pack. Finally all in one place, this collection contains all of the variants and promos ever made for the smash hit cooperative comic book card game Sentinels of the Multiverse. So we have all new artwork, and the set contains 67 cards, including at least one hero character card for each hero from the core game and every expansion. Each card in this set features new art from the Sentinels artist Adam Repetado, expanding on the stories from the game. Join forces with these heroes and save the multiverse. Why not? We'll be rude not to. Let's get in here, see what we've got. Well, there we are. We have another one of our little divider cards for the variants. Exactly the same on both sides. Let's put that to one side. Then let's talk for about 20 minutes while I try and get into this pack. At some point I'm going to remember to go and get a knife. Hang on, I don't need to do that with this one because it's got one of those nice little thingies that will hopefully allow me to. Well, it should have, but it doesn't. Well, it does, but it doesn't. It's got one, but it doesn't work. I know what I mean. I know what I mean. Shut up and get over there. Right, so what do we have? Well, America's newest legacy. America's greatest legacy. Oh, let's have a look first of all, because when we're going through these I have to show front and back because they are quite different. So, America's newest legacy starts again, and that's the back. America's greatest legacy, and the back. Baron Blaze not playing nice on these. Now, Freedom 5 Legacy. Bunker, Engine of War. GI Bunker. Termination Bunker. So some of these cards, as I said in an earlier video, aren't very easy to read with the text and with the artwork. Freedom 5 Bunker. Super Scientific Tachyon. And Tachyon. Freedom 5 version of Tachyon. Ah, here we go. Wraith. What I like. Wrath. Or Wraith. Can't quite read that one as well. Freedom 5 Wraith. Get the artwork. And Absolute Zero. This could go on for a while. I'm just going to whiz through the cards. You're able to see what it is, hopefully, without me actually naming each one. I'll just put some music behind and you can have a look. Okay, we're coming to the end of the video now, the last few. I know it's been one of those weird videos, but there's only cards to look at, and I like showing the front and the back of each card with these because they're double-sided, and they each have different things on the backs and the fronts. Oh, Power Rangers! Sorry. So it's just, you know, I like showing things off like this because the artwork is so nice on these, as I hope you will agree. And last few, oh, Santa guys. This is Deadpool for the Sentinels of the Multiverse comics. And the final one is, again, guys, completionist guys. There we are. And that is that for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let's see. No, I still can't do it. Oh well, never mind. You can see some of the ones I've got here, and ignore the lights flash there because we're using a main bulb. So there we are. That is it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Next time we're going to be having a look at one of the bigger packs, which is the Sentinels of the Multiverse Void Guard Hero Team Mini Expansion. So there we are. That's what we're looking at next time. But for this video, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.